peeps, it's Sophie from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with physical sciences, and this is the grade 12 2018 paper on AC generators. Okay, so 10.1 says the simplified AC generator below, the coil is rotated clockwise. 10.1.1 says, in which direction does the induced current flow in the coil? Now you've got to use the left-hand motor rule for this. And I've written down what that actually means. So the index finger is your magnetic field direction, and that is from north, where your knuckle is, to south at the tip of the index finger. The middle is the current direction, and the thumb is the force. So if your force is going clockwise, and you're looking at the XY portion of the curve, you can orient your hand to get to that specific orientation, and you find that the current is traveling from Y to X. Okay. Then we can go to 10.1.2, and it says, on what principle or law is the working of the generator based? So we know that that is Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. I won't write the whole thing. Electromagnetic induction. Okay. 10.1.3 says, state the energy conversion that takes place while the generator is in operation. And we know that this is mechanical energy to electrical energy. Don't get a generator confused with a motor, because a generator turns mechanical to electrical, but a motor turns electrical to mechanical. Okay, so then we can look at 10.2, and it shows the voltage output for an AC generator over there, and it shows the maximum voltage of 340 as the amplitude. So the first question is, write down the maximum peak output voltage of the generator, and we know that that's the amplitude, and that's given as 340 volts. Great. Then it says a stove is connected to the generator above and delivers an average power of 1600 watts. Calculate the RMS voltage. So we know that that's just a formula, so VRMS is equal to Vmax over root 2. And we know that the Vmax is just 340 volts, so you can actually get the VRMS straight away, and that is 240.42 volts. Cool. Then 10.2.3 says calculate the resistance of the stove. Now we know the power of the stove, so we can just go straight to that using the formula using RMS voltage, and that is this. And then you can calculate from 1600 watts VRMS, which is 240.42 all squared, over the resistance, which we want to know. So you get your resistance to be 36.13 ohms. Great, so that's it for this question, but before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. You can read all about them in the description below. Also be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos, and if you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. But until the next time, stay epic.